Hello everyone, I am Shweta Maviya from SIRTE Excellence, and here we are discuss today for about the Python language. Today the topic of our languages, introduction of Python. So we are discuss in which why to learn Python today and what are the needs of the all of the languages which is needed in the world, history of languages and who created the language, where is Python used, which many websites are used or Python language, and what are the features of Python. So let us move. Why do we need a programming? To communicate with digital machines and make them work accordingly, we are using programming languages. Over the all over the programming world, there have 900 programming languages available, and every languages are designed to fulfill the security and many more things to fulfill the needs of the previous languages. Brief history of programming language. When the C languages are designed, these languages are designed for the purpose of system software like operating system and device drivers. To remove some security problem in C language, C++ language are come in the market and which is used popularly in an object-oriented language which provided data security and it can be used to solve real-world problems. Many popular software like WinMap, Adobe, Internet Explorer are designed in C++ programming languages. We all are used today mostly C++ languages. What is Python and why Python is used? Python is a general purpose language and very easy to understand and learn. Python is considered as one of the most versatile programming language and it can be used to develop any kind of applications like desktop application, web application, IoT applications, and today AI ML are the major area of the language of Python. We can research and many more things can do in AI ML area with the help of Python. Just because of too short of the code, we can use it. Who created Python? Python was created by Guido van Rossum, who who is a Dutch scientist, and it is inspired by the another programming languages like ABC. We know how Python got its name. Python, the name of Python was suggested to the Guido in the famous comedy show Monty's Python Flying Circus. Just Guido wanted the name was short, unique, and slightly mysterious, so he decided to them a Python, the name of the language. Who managed Python today? Today, Python is managed by Python Software Foundation, and it is now we can use 3.0 version of the Python. Firstly, 2.1 version of Python was came and now it is not in use. Even the code of 2.1 not run and on 3 point of version Python. It is a non-profit organization, Python Software Foundation, which is in Delaware, USA. It is a non-profit organization which is uh, to take time to time updation and many more things required to handle with that. Python, where is Python used? Python is used in graphical user interface, website, web applications. data science area and AI, ML and IoT like areas. Famous website which is using Python today like Instagram, NASA, Udemy, Spotify, Mozilla and many more. Even YouTube is also used Python. Let we can we can discuss about how to use Python. So we can discuss more about the Python language in the next video. So we can discuss in the next video. We can learn how to install Python in our system in the next video. Thank you.